Is your KeePassXC database not opening? This problem can happen if the wrong master password is entered, the database file is damaged, the file was moved, or there's a compatibility issue. In this guide, I'll show you several effective ways to fix a KeePassXC database that won't open. Let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct master password. Check that caps lock isn't turned on, verify your keyboard layout, and type the password carefully. If your database also uses a key file, make sure you've selected the correct one before trying again. Next, make sure you're opening the correct database file. Locate your KDBX file in File Explorer and verify that it hasn't been renamed, moved, or accidentally replaced with an older backup. If the database still won't open, try opening one of your backup copies. If the original database file has become damaged, a recent backup may still contain all of your saved passwords. Now make sure you're using the latest version of KeePassXC. Updating the application can improve compatibility with newer database formats and resolve software bugs. After updating, try opening your database again. Finally, verify that you have permission to access the database file. If the file is stored on an external drive, network location, or cloud-synced folder, make sure it's fully available and that Windows isn't blocking access. Then try opening the database once more. And that's how to fix a KeePassXC database that's not opening. By verifying your master password, checking the database file, using a backup, updating KeePassXC, and reviewing file permissions, you can resolve most database access problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.